Guys, from the title of this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can do everything practically. So ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. What we're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your Discord server, right? And for you to make this happen, there's something you're going to type in right here. So you're going to do this. I'll type in this, right? So you can see the second one. You click on it. So I'm going to show you how you can create this, right? So I'll click the enter. Once I click the enter, you'd be given some options, right? This form will be submitted to this, do not share. So what we're going to do right now, I want to set the duration of the giveaway, right? I can make it to be, let me say 24 hours, right? 24 hours. Then the number of winners can be, okay, let me just use this as an example, as a quick example, and see just 10 seconds, right? Then the number of winners, only one. Then the price, I can put the price can be, let me say just $100, right? So I'll come on here, click lucky, right? And I'm going to click on the submit right now. So once I've clicked on it, if you among the people that entered, I'm going to click on this, right, to enter. So exactly, so the giveaway just ended, and you can see, congrats, HowTo, do you won $100. So this is basically how you can do this here on your Discord. If you find this video helpful, please share it with us in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.